Hey there guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to add fuzzy skin in Bambu Studio Slicer. I repeat, we're going to add fuzzy skin to this 3D print file in Bambu Studio. Step number one is to open Bambu Studio, obviously, and step number two, import your file. Chances are you're already here. Step number three is to click on your file and highlight it. I just have a cube here. And then make sure you're in the Prepare tab over here in the left-hand corner. Scroll down to the set of tabs where it says Quality, Strength, Support, and Others, and then click on Others. Then scroll down to the very bottom here where it says Special Mode, and then the fourth one down, it says Fuzzy Skin. This is where we can add fuzzy skin to your 3D print. And then click on the drop down. There's two types of to choose from here. We have Contour and Contour and Whole. Start with Contour if you're new to this. So just select that. And then you can notice that it opens two more settings at which we can choose from. So it says Fuzzy Skin Point Distance. That's the distance at what the surface is changing, right? Because chances are we're trying to add fuzzy skin to a 3D print to kind of hide layer lines. And this is a great way to do that. But the point distance is between at which like the surface is changing, right? So if we do 0.8 millimeters versus the second setting, which is thickness, at which that's like the thickness of the the thickness of the skin. This is kind of hard to explain, I'm finding. So to figure out what this looks like, just click on Slice Plate in the upper right-hand corner, and this gives you an idea of what it's going to look like, the surface. And I know it's kind of vague because you can't know until you actually print it. But what you can do here is say this is kind of rough. So what I could do here is I could change this to 0.4 over 0.2 and then click on Slice Plate and see the difference. It's less, it has like a tighter, smaller granular of the fuzzy skin. This is how to add fuzzy skin in Bambu Studio. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions, and please consider subscribing.